Now, this is a bullish statement. I can't wait to prove to the world what I have already know, that SHIB is the most powerful token community ecosystem and brand the world has ever known. Powerful statement for Satoshi. And then that led me to this right here, the Shibarium, which is set to release Q3 2022. According to this article here, Shibarium and Shiba Games are two releases planned for the Shiba Inu ecosystem in 2022. And then experts believe that the launch of Shibarium could contribute to the recovery of the Shiba Inu coin. Now they had like a Shibarium alpha testnet, and I took a look at this. I guess this is Shibarium bridge. So a little bit of information about this here. This is just a testnet version of the Shibarium. It's currently underway, which will be used in network testing and development of all the end user engagement tools such as wallets, block explorers, token transfers. So they are working on it. And the Shibarium will have several major advantages, including scaling, the ability to handle large amount of transaction data. Remember, Bone's gonna be used inside this ecosystem of the Shibarium. But check this out as well. Low cost solution. I'll even highlight this because I find this pretty fascinating. Low cost solution to a wide range of projects, faster transaction, low gas fees. That will be Bone. And Bone is at around 42 cents. So it's still a very low value of Bone at the recording of this video. And a burn mechanism among others. Some investors hope that the Shibarium launch will help spike the SHIB price, but with its current performance in the bearish crypto market. I do believe the Shibarium, with the launch of this at some point this year, according to this information here, that it's going to help the whole ecosystem of Shibarium. And let's talk a little bit more about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, it is kind of a bear market right now, but if you can come out with something like this and a bullish statement that's saying we can't wait till this ecosystem get launched out here, let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, Shibarium is being built on and improving well-established, battle-tested, and robust technology with X funds and other things that's involved with that. Q3 is around the corner. The Shiba Inu Layer 2 solution Shibarium set to release there. But my thing is, when in Q3? Could this be pushed back to Q4? Could this be in the beginning of 2023? We definitely have to find out what's going on here, but they are really moving very forward with all this. Now, Bone, I did a video over Bone of why Bone is important to this whole Shibarium system, but another token I would not necessarily forget in this ecosystem is going to be Leash. Now, we talked about Bone. Leash is sitting at a $338 value. This is also part of the ecosystem of Shiba Inu. So even though this statement is saying this, but I wouldn't forget about this as well. But I do believe Bone, in my opinion, is definitely something that's going to help this gas fees. And with this whole bearish market, Shibarium is one of those projects that can really shock the world. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The Shiba Games, I really want to see what that's all about. That's supposed to happen around this year. So let's see what happens. I would definitely consider adding not only Leash, Bone, and then of course Shiba, because there could be some really good news coming out by the end of this year. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Not financial advice, but if it says to do a lot of the things that they wanted to do, that says right here about low cost solutions, faster transaction, low gas fee, burn mechanism, bringing it down a little bit. And a Shiba, if you go look at the coin market cap real fast, and if I go all the way down to where Shiba's at, they've done this without really having Shiba Games and the Shibarium and all those type of things. You imagine this, it's sitting at that market cap, right? You imagine when that happens, it could shoot this thing up pretty high. Well, we got to wait and see what happens. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.